Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to tell you a little bit more about our new application, Admin Gang Sheet Builder, how to use it, and in general, what's the idea behind it. So, as you can see here, this is our new application available in the Shopify App Store. And this application is dedicated to companies that not only sell custom DTF gang sheets, but to companies that also sell ready-to-press transfers. So, for example, if you offer mm, transfers with a specific graphic from your library in, for example, adult, youth, infant size, and so on, you can use this application. We heard from a couple of our clients that when it comes to offering this kind of designs, it's very time consuming for their team to get the information from the Shopify order about the sizes, about the quantities, about the designs that were ordered. So they need to gather all of this information, find the designs on the drive, gang it in the RIP software or gang it in the Photoshop Illustrator. And again, it's very, very time consuming. And also there's a lot of space for just human mistakes. We decided to help you with this process and to streamline it. With our application, if you have, for example, an order um, for a for this design. This is the simple example, just with the one design, but in different sizes and in different quantity. You can go to our application, and in the generate sheet tab, you can type the order ID and click search. Our solution will automatically take the information from this order about the positions that were ordered, in about the quantity, and also about the side. So I can just upload the graphic. In this case, as we would need to upload this 3 times very quickly, save changes, and just click open builder button. It will automatically load up our builder with the right size, with the right quantity. Just click generate new DTF sheets, click confirm my designs, and now you can close the tab, and this order will be now generated. It's in progress. Again, just a minute or two, and it should be able to download. You can see that we already had the longer side populated here. So in the settings tab, to do so, there is an auto mapper section where you can just click add new mapping. And in this case, I assigned that adult is 11 inches, youth is 8 inches, and infant is 6 inches. But for example, if I had, let's say, toddler, it would be, or maybe, let's say, Kuzi. For Kuzi, it will be always 4 inches. So next time when someone orders something in a Kuzi size, our solution will automatically assign the 4 inches to the longer side. But there is also another option to map the designs. In the mapping list, you can see all of the images that were the image that I uploaded before in the generate sheet. But you can also, instead of going order by order, you can spend some time, I don't know, hour every day, 30 minutes every day, to upload your library. So let me show you this on an example of other 3 graphics. I will just maybe upload 3 of them. Start adding. These designs will be loaded. Our solution, what is also very important, will automatically trim the dead space around it. And I can assign this graphic, this file, to this product, you can see that again, the sizes are automatically linked. I can assign this graphic to this product, and I can assign this graphic to this product. And again, all of the sizes are automatically filled out, and I can just click Save Changes. And thanks to this step, when I have an order for, let's say, this one, where we have different graphics in different sizes and in different quantity, thanks to this, let's say, mapping that I just did, when I go to generate sheet, I type the order number, I click search, I can see all of these graphics automatically loaded in a right size, in the right quantity. So what I need to do, just click Open Builder. The builder is loaded with the right quantity, with the right size. Just click Generate New DTF Sheet. We have a new sheet generated. Of course, if you want, you can make some changes to it. If you want to adjust, click Your Designs. Again, confirm my designs. And now I can close the tab, go to the Orders section, and this one is now being generated. But I suppose that the previous one is ready to download. So we have the in this case PNG for 1001 order that we generated a couple of minutes ago. In the settings tab, you can also make some changes to the product. In this case, we had like 22 inches wide, but the width that I would suggest would be 22.5, because this way you can have two 11 inches designs next to each other, and you have also the number, let's say the sizes that our that our tool will generate will can select the smallest possible size of the sheet from this, let's say, collection. So for example, if you don't want to offer 240, you can just delete and have them up to 120. So this is the settings tab. So again, I strongly recommend and let's say encourage you to install this app if you sell ready to press transfers, because again, our solution streamlines the whole process significantly. We already have a couple of clients using, let's say, beta testing this solution, and they are super happy with that. They told us that again, it saves a lot of time. There is no human errors, and again, we're here just to help you with everyday duties, with the everyday with everyday process. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be happy to help you to set up this tool. And also, if you have any issues, there is always submit ticket tab in our application, and our support team will be happy to assist you with everything. And also in the installation guide, you have some exemplary rules for the automapper. You can also watch this 2-minute video that will show you how to set up the application. And again, if you have any questions, just let us know, and we'll assist you with that. Wish you all the best and good luck during this peak season. Thank you.